aviators. Colonel Dwight with a discussion on how an airplane turns. Let's do a little review. We know that we have three axes of rotation. We have the pitch, controlled by our elevator or stabilator. We have roll, controlled by our ailerons. And we have yaw, controlled by our rudder. At first thought, you might think that the rudder is how we turn the airplane, but that's not the case. The rudder will turn the nose of the airplane either to the left or to the right, but that is not what turns the airplane. The airplane is turned using the ailerons. For example, if the airplane is to be turned to the right, the left aileron will be deflected down, and the right aileron will be deflected up, and we'll get the airplane into a roll. Well, now our lift has changed. Our lift is no longer vertical. Some of our lift becomes horizontal. So the airplane then will turn in the direction of the lower wing. We use the rudder in a turn to counteract what is called adverse yaw. If no rudder is used in a turn, the nose of the aircraft yaws to the outside of the turn. The downward deflected aileron on the outside of the turn causes the nose to swing in the opposite direction of the turn. This is called a slipping turn. The rudder is used to bring the nose back in line with the relative wind. Now, too much rudder will cause the nose to swing too far in the direction of the turn, and this is called a slipping turn. To properly turn the airplane, the pilot must use all three controls, called a coordinated turn. The ailerons will be used to roll the airplane in the direction of the turn. The rudder will be used to counteract adverse yaw, but don't use too much. In addition, since in a turn we lose some vertical lift to horizontal lift, the airplane will start to descend. So we have to use elevator, pull back on our yoke, get some up elevator to bring the pitch of the nose up in order to counteract the loss of the vertical lift. In a future lesson, we will discuss the use of instruments to help the pilot make a coordinated turn. Thanks for listening. Fly safe.